Fourth class GK, 11th chapter, page number 276. India, our land. See, India is a country in South Asia. India comes in South Asia part of the Asia continent. It is the seventh largest country by area. First largest country is Russia and smallest is Vatican City, and second largest by population ಅಂದರೆ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ. China is the first. China has the largest population and most populous democracy in the world. I mean most popular democracy. Populous means here popular democracy in the world. Famous democracy in the world. India got its independence on 15th August 1947. It was the day when the India's got liberated from the rule of the British. Earlier British were ruling India. Here are some pictures of national symbols. Write their names using utility box. Utility box is given here. First one, national flower is lotus. It's here. National currency, Indian rupees, not just rupees, Indian rupee. Indian rupee, because Nepal and some other countries also have the same rupees currency. National flag, tricolor flag, saffron, white and green. So the tricolor is also called Tiranga. Tiranga or tricolor. National game, that is hockey. It's here. National song. National song and national anthem. National song is Vande Mataram. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana. National song Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National anthem Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore. The Indian flag named Tiranga is based on the Swaraj flag. I mean, there were many steps in the formation of flag. A flag of Indian National Congress and designed by Pingali Venkayya from Andhra Pradesh. I mean, he designed the Indian flag. Indian flag is adopted on July 22nd, 1947. I mean, almost nearly 1 month before it was adopted. Next, 12th chapter, famous leaders. Match the following, part A and part B. The first Prime Minister of an independent India in 1947. When India got independence, the first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru. Prime Minister, not President, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Prime Minister of India since 2014. 2014ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದವರು. And also he is the leader of the BJP. That is Narendra Modi. He was elected as the first President of Republic India. First President, that is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He played a crucial role during the freedom struggle of India. See, Netaji is there, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajiv Gandhi. See, he played a crucial role during the freedom struggle of India, that is Lal Bahadur Shastri. She was known by the sobriquet, the Nightingale of India, that is Sarojini Naidu. He was one of the popular Prime Minister of India. One of the popular Prime Ministers of India, Rajiv Gandhi. He was the founder of the Indian National Army. Obviously, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Eighth one, he devoted his life for the pride and honor of the country. He was regarded as the man of the principles, that is none other than Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Identify the following pictures and write their names. This is Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. She was the president of, she was a former president of India.